So, yung Grave of the Fireflies, isa siyang movie noong na ginawa noong 1988 ng it's all about Japanese animated war drama film and directed by Isao Takahata. The film shows the story of two siblings, the 14-year-old Seita and his 4-year-old sister Setsuko, who are left to fend themselves in Japan during the final months of the World War II. Namatay yung mother niya dahil sa killed in air raid their father. A naval officer is away at war. So, nung nawalan sila parehas ng magulang, ng mga parents, naghirap mag-survive yung dalawang magkapatid in the midst of war. So, walang pagkain, walang matutuluyan, no? Meron doon na gutom na si Seita to the point na pati yung kapatid niya ay nagkasakit, and yung brother walang choice kundi ipakain yung tira dun sa mga nakaskas na yelo, yung mga nalaglag dun sa sahig. So, Seita tries to provide for his sister by scavenging for food and finding shelter in abandoned buildings. But their situation becomes increasingly desperate as the war continues to escalate. So, lalong naghirap sila, and nung nagkasakit din si Setsuko. And unfortunately, nagkaroon ng sakit na si Setsuko and namatay siya, leaving Seita alone and grief-stricken. This film is poignant and heart-wrenching tale of devastating impact of war on the lives of ordinary people and the lengths that people will go to in order to survive. It is a powerful and emotional film, and that serves as a reminder of the human cost of war and the importance of peace. So, the documentary of Grave of the Firefly is a highly engaging and captivating film na talagang may interest, yung deeply emotional and impact sa viewer, no? Kasi ang nakaka-interest pa dito is, kaya maganda, is based on the true story and historical event, which adds a level of authenticity and realism to the narrative. So, talagang naging pasok talaga yung Grave of the Fireflies kasi talagang true to life, and at the same time dito yung historical events na nagpatunay na totoo yung storya. The depiction of the suffering and hardship faced by the main characters during the bombing of Cove in World War II, this makadamdamin na movie ay hindi nyo maiwasan na maramdam lungkot. Parang kayo na rin yung nasasaktan at nahirapan to sa struggles nung magkapatid dun sa movie ni Setsuko at ni Seita. Tsaka masasabi ko dito sa animation ng Grave of the Firefly, they use the animation style and in the film is beautifully crafted and visually stunning, no? Which helps to immerse the viewer in the story and make them feel more emotional connected to the characters. The attention also, the detail, the use of realistic settings, and the landscape ay nakatulong para more realistic and engaging yung movie. And the movie is based on semi-autobiographical novel of the same name by Akiyuki Nosaka. In the film were made in a different format, such as live action, likely that the visual style, overall the tone of the film will be different. The use of animation allows for unique visual style and allows for the filmmakers to depict the story in a way that might not be possible with live action. So, people who have experienced lack of food and shelter may be able to relate sa struggles ng magkapatid dito sa movie na to. Yung pag-portray ay na ginawa ng mga bida dito ay totoo talaga na nangyayari sa lipunan natin, no? nagkakaroon tayo ng struggle, hindi lang sa gitna ng war, pati sa araw-araw na buhay, yung kakapusan natin sa pagkain, sa matutuluyan. Na po, yung highlights ng film nito is about resilience and determination ng magkapatid na hindi sumuko o hindi sila nag-give up, bagkus ay naniwala sila na may pag-asa pa na sa araw-araw na challenges na natatanggap nila o kinakaharap nila, no? So for me, this movie is thumbs up for me because it's a powerful and poignant film that captures my heart and devastating effects of war in civilians, particularly in children's, no? This story is heart-wrenching and the animation is beautifully crafted. And yung movie na to talagang ipinakita yung highlights no war ng buhay ng isang tao and yung importance of human connection and compassion. Yun lamang po.